Hey guys, so a long time no see. Well, it hasn't been that long. A little bit has changed, got a haircut, and I'm getting it colored in 2 days, so that'll be exciting. Today is May 7th, and right now I am in our guest room, which I'm turning into my beauty room / makeup studio so I can freelance out of here. So I did a lot of cleaning for the past few weeks, but I didn't want to show the very beginning stages because there was a lot of stuff. It was kind of like our junk room. This is it right now. So over here we had our treadmill, so that's now in the living room. And over here we had a tall like CD, DVD cabinet, and where that is we had a little nightstand. Over here it used to be a bed as well a while ago, but we broke that down and put it in the basement. And then over in this corner we had a dresser. Over here we had 2 file cabinets and another dresser, and we finally got rid of all of that furniture. Like every week I would come in and clear out some more stuff and get rid of that, put it out for bulk. So right now this is just what we're dealing with. So these are all DVDs and CDs in there, so I have to figure out where to put that. And then just this stuff. So there's some old like shoes that we're gonna donate and put in the clothes bins. And then this stuff, it's just like little, it looks like a lot, but it's really not. So we just have some food like chips to put away. This desk I'm keeping in here. That's what I'm going to use to film on. And then this just has a few things of junk. Those are just reusable bags for grocery shopping and some waters. So I just have to clear this off. And what I'm going to start doing tonight is painting. I have to take that down and figure out where to put all of that stuff. And finally put this in my room because it has been in here since I graduated high school 7 years ago. So I need to finally put that up in my room upstairs. And I'm gonna put this Christmas tree in my room upstairs because I don't know, I kind of like that better than the little short one I have in my room. So I'm gonna put that in my room in the corner where I have my little Christmas tree now. And I don't know, I just like having a Christmas tree in my room because I like the glow of all the lights. And I kind of decorate it for the seasons. So yeah, I'm just going to finish clearing this out and then we are going to paint. So I am going with this paint color. I wanted to do a nice light gray, and it kind of has like a, I don't know if you can tell, like a sheen to it. It's not matte like these two. This is going to be a guest room as well. So over here I ordered a sleeper sofa, so it's going to go right there. So if anyone's staying here, they have somewhere to sleep. So I am just going to start cleaning in here, and then I will see you guys later when I tape up the walls and start the primer. You gonna help?
I might be dumb, but I'm not stupid.
There she goes. Bye. Roxy, you don't want to help?
She goes, do I?
This
Okay.
is people stuff. No.
Don't stand over there. Roxy.
You coming upstairs with me? Or are you staying with Ash and Pete? Oh, you're standing on the carpet. I'm like, what are you standing on?
What was that?
Tennis.
What do you say? Stop?
No, he said, come on.
Oh, must be watching something.
Alright guys, so I look gross. We just finished painting the room. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Tomorrow I am going to do the trim, and I have to get white paint tomorrow from Home Depot, so I'm gonna get some of that and then just paint the trim so it all looks nice and pretty, and then I can put my furniture in there. So I am getting my sleeper sofa that I ordered, and it's getting delivered Friday, which I'm at work Friday, but at least I'll have that to put in there. And then we're gonna go to IKEA one day and get my vanity desk. So this is what the room looks like. I love it. It looks really light right now, but it dries up pretty dark. Like you can kind of see the corner over there, like the true color. I'm really excited. I'm gonna redo the trim because, as you can see here, there's baby blue under there because people who lived here before us decided to paint the walls and the trim baby blue. And then this room was like green. It had a mixed match of colors. Hey guys, I'm gonna turn my music off. So, I just got back from getting my hair done. It's really hard to see, but it's more of like an ashy blonde at the bottom, but it has like a lavender tint to it as well. Let me see if I can show you with the bathroom lights on. Oh, you can't see me. It's like hard to see. Like right here, you can kind of see like the lavender hint. So at first I was going more of like a silver blonde, but this one's more of like a grayish ashy blonde with hints. I mean, here you can really see that's like gray with like hints of lavender in it, which is nice because I do want to do lavender in the future, like full on. Anyways, so as you can see, this is the room. So this is the color. It looks very white, but when you see the ceiling, like the ceiling compared to, here you can see more, it's more gray. So I'm just going through with some sandpaper, and then, don't mind the floors. And then I just got this Bare Premium Plus Interior Semi-Gloss Ultra White, I believe it is. Ultra Pure White. And I'm using that for the trim, so I'm just sanding everything down and then painting the trims white. Okay, so far I've just done the bottom trim. The floor is really creaky. And I got to there, so now I'm gonna start the doors. And when I get over there, I will be done with the bottom, and then I'm just gonna do around the windows and we're all set. And then there's some few parts that I still have to go over a little bit more, like over here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little blue chip right there. Guys, so don't mind this. I just got home from work and I wanted to show you the room. Oh god. So you can see it in the natural lighting. Just went through, fix all that paint. Alright guys, so this is the room. So far, not this light. So as I said before, vanity's going here. And that I'm gonna repaint and figure out where I'm gonna put that. That's gonna be like my little filming desk I'm gonna pull up every time I film down here. I'm gonna get a cute little side table right there. And this pulls out into a bed. It's not the comfiest thing, but it's a little better for seating, and then when someone stays the night. And then I'm gonna get cute little pillows on there. So this is part 1 of my room makeover for my beauty studio.